American Hartford Gold IRA Company is a well-known precious metals and gold IRA company that specializes in offering investment solutions for retirement funds. They provide tailored options for individuals interested in diversifying their portfolios with precious metals like gold and silver. This helps to protect their loyal clients against market instability. But before we go into our American Hartford Gold IRA Company review, we do want to remind you that investing in precious metals gold IRA can be confusing, which is why we have a detailed gold IRA guide that can help to answer all of your questions. Secure your financial future today with our free Gold IRA investment kit. It's packed with all the detailed information you need to make an informed decision. American Hartford Gold offers high-quality gold and silver investment products, which are traditionally seen as safe haven assets, providing investors a way to protect their wealth against economic uncertainties and market volatility. American Hartford Gold provides a buyback commitment for the precious metals they sell. This means that if an investor decides to sell their precious metals in the future, American Hartford Gold promises to buy them back, providing added liquidity for their investments. American Hartford Gold has a strong reputation for its customer service, providing personal attention to each client's unique needs. This includes a dedicated account executive, educational resources, and guidance throughout the process of buying, storing, and potentially selling precious metals. American Hartford Gold IRA Company has hundreds of positive reviews online that you can see for yourself at the various customer review websites. On Consumer Affairs, American Hartford Gold has 4.7 stars out of 5 with 247 customer reviews. On Trustpilot, American Hartford Gold has 4.9 stars out of 5 with 1,143 customer reviews. With the Better Business Bureau, American Hartford Gold has a 3.16 out of 5 star rating with 31 reviews. And on Business Consumer Affairs, American Hartford Gold has a 5-star rating out of 8 reviews. So to sum it up, American Hartford Gold is a legit company with positive reviews from the Better Business Bureau. American Hartford Gold is not a scam. Don't let another moment pass by. Secure your financial future today with our free Gold IRA investment kit. It's packed with all the detailed information you need to make an informed decision. Remember, the best time to invest in your future is now. Click the link to get your free gold investment kit and start your journey to a more secure and stable retirement. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more informative content, and remember, the key to successful investing in gold is staying informed with the education provided in our guide.